Good morning, children. Chapter number 4, Bhim and the Buffalo. This chapter is going on. Half I have explained in another video, and now we are doing next one. So students, Bhim thought that was a good idea and happily gave the man his buffalo, but soon he discovered that the horse was lame, and he felt disappointed and continued walking. So what happened? When Bhim was going to the market, then he met with one man, and he was offered him to exchange his buffalo with his horse. So Bhim thought that it is a good idea, and he was happy to exchange. And what he did? He exchanged his buffalo and take horse. And after that he saw the horse was lame. The meaning of lame is unable to walk. But later he saw horse is lame. So he felt disappointed. He was very much sad. So what happened next? Soon a man came with a cow. Bhim told the man what had happened. That man who met with Bhim, he said, "What happened, Bhim?" Because he was looking very sad. So the man said, "Don't worry, take my cow and give the lame horse to me." What the man said? The man said, "Take my cow and give that lame horse to me." Bhim was very happy with the man's kindness, and he was thinking that man is very kind. That's why he is giving his cow to me, and he is taking that lame horse. So happily he gave that horse. Soon Bhim realized that cow was blind in one eye. What he realized? He realized that cow was blind, that horse was lame, and this cow was blind. He felt disheartened, means बहुत उदास हो गया वो. Then he sat down under a tree, unable to decide what to do, because he was very sad and he was not able to think what he has to do. Then he was sitting under a tree. Then a man came that way with a goat. A man came that with a goat. He offered to exchange the goat for Bhim's cow. Then one man came, and what he was saying? He was saying, "I will take your cow and you take this goat." Then Bhim agreed, but afterwards found out that the goat was sick. But later on he saw that goat was sick. But again he was confused and sad. Now what he has to do? Then he was sitting. Bhim next exchanged his goat for a man. Again one man came, and he said, "Then you give me your goat and take this hen." Then same Bhim did, because he was very much confused and sad. So in the evening Bhim was very hungry and tired. He sold the hen for a few rupees and bought some food to eat. What he did? Because he was coming from the home in the morning, and now what is there? It is evening. Then he was very much hungry. As he was about to start, an old beggar walked up to him. जैसे ही उसने खाना स्टार्ट किया, खाना लेके, then who came? Old beggar came. Then, "I have not eaten anything for many days. Please give me something to eat," the beggar pleaded. Pleaded means request. Beggar was requesting to Bhim, "I have not eaten anything for many days. Please give me something to eat." So when Bhim was starting to eat, then he saw that beggar, his food he gave to that beggar. Bhim felt sorry for the beggar and he gave all the food to the beggar. Beggar returned home hungry. Bhim returned home hungry, tired, and without a paisa in his pocket. He was coming with the buffalo, but when he is going to the home, then he was nothing to have, means no paisa. He was hungry and tired. So Bhim's wife and children were not happy. They were not unhappy, means they were not sad. Bhim has come without a paisa or he is hungry or tired, so they were not unhappy. Okay, so another chapter we will discuss in another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.